Testimony also continues in the trial of a Cranston police officer accused of assaulting a suspect inside police headquarters.
And today, Officer Andrew Leonard himself took the stand. 12 News reporter Courtney Carter joins us now from Kent County Court in Warwick to tell us about today's testimony.
After showing a new angle on the surveillance video in the arrest and calling two key witnesses, the judge stated he would not dismiss charges against Officer Leonard.
But based upon what I saw in the video, he didn't deserve what happened to him. It appears to me from watching that video that Mr. Leonard is enticing him to a fight. So I will deny the motion to dismiss the matter.
Leonard then taking the stand himself and got into the altercation with Mattiello, saying he felt fearful, thinking Mattiello was reaching for his duty belt.
Where his left hand is, he's got a grip on my flashlight. That is his hand gripped right around it. He's tugging on it, pulling on it.
Officer Thomas Levy of Cranston PD was also called, who was in the room during the altercation. Officer Levy describes Mattiello's arrest, saying it took 3 officers to get him in handcuffs. Mattiello claims he did not resist arrest and did not use explicit language when talking. Levy says both Mattiello and Leonard were in a heated, what he called trash-talking conversation, exchanging words back and forth that started over an officer removing a hair tie.
At what point did you see him advance towards Mattiello?
Once Officer Burns was taking the hair tie out of Mattiello's hair.
But the defense continued to argue Wednesday what it deemed necessary force, calling to the stand the captain of the police department, Sean Parker, who instead called it excessive.
I was struck by the severity of it, unreasonableness of the use of force.
He wasn't there. Him characterizing what he saw on the video, respectfully, is irrelevant.
Now, Leonard has been suspended from the Cranston Police Department, and Mattiello is still in custody on another charge. The trial continues tomorrow. I'm Courtney Carter, 12 News.